crafting friends! Let's talk about DIY items that you can actually sell.
Here I have some wooden blocks. They are light and weightless, and they've already been sanded. So today engrave numbers from 1 to 10 on the blocks. This toy will help kids learn to count. So, wooden educational toys. To make good toys, by which I mean toys that are sustainable, safe and non-toxic, you want wood to be durable, natural and free of harmful chemicals. Here are some of the best options: maple, cherry, oak, birch and pine. While pine isn't as hard as some others, it's still a safe and smooth option for less durable toys. It's often used for beginner projects or less complex designs. Use large, clear and simple fonts for numbers, especially if the toy is for younger children. Avoid thin fonts, as they may be hard to read or may not engrave well on wood. A great idea is to make the other side interesting as well. This time I took the design from Canva, but for a small business idea it will be much better to create the design yourself. It will highlight your uniqueness. Once the engraving is complete, you can finish the toy with beeswax or natural oil. It provides a safe, smooth and waterproof finish, ideal for children's toys. Or non-toxic paint if you want the numbers to stand out in a color. Use non-toxic, child-safe paint. You can leave them unpainted and let the kids do it themselves. This is how you can make wonderful toys out of wood. I hope you found this idea useful. Like this video and subscribe for more ideas. I will leave some links in the description. You may find them useful if you already have your own small business or just considering starting one. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and come back for part 2. Bye!